Currently outside. Got a little bored. Notice my axe is pretty dull. No, I'm not a trained professional. No, I am not good at this. As you can tell. But this thing won't even split wood. There's a woodpecker. It's got a red head and everything. Anyways, we'll bust up this concrete. Says it's good for sharpening axes. If it's just dull. See? Now, gotta find a good sharpening piece. This one? Yeah, that'll do. You can scream at me in the comments if you want to. I really couldn't care less. I'm just trying to have some fun. So, I'm going over here, waiting on to go home. So, I'm going to sit on this little ledge right here, sharpen this axe. And no, the view won't be the best, because, again, I have nothing to hold it but my two hands. And they're going to be occupied sharpening an axe. So, sorry, not sorry. Oh, there's a spider. Hold on. Y'all want to see this little guy. He's invisible. Hold on. Hold on, it's a little hard to see. It's the web's invisible due to the camera. Where'd he go? I do believe that's him right there. Get a little closer. Yep, there he is. My camera's pretty bad. Sorry about that, y'all. Going back to sharpening this up. It's likely that I'll have to just go home and sharpen it with my angle grinder. I just found this thing. It doesn't belong to anyone. I've done checked. It was in a ditch. Well, I think it was. It was behind my granny's house. But it's not hers, she says. It was on our property, too. So. Let's see. See that, guys? That is terrible. See, that's not sharp at all. It's actually pretty flat. Focus it on the blade. Oh, you've got a hornet. Had a hornet right past me. Right next to my head. Our neighbors are out. I'll stop recording.